Welcome you all for the class on the topic process of machine learning. The machine learning process in machine learning applications, a data scientist or other analyst identifies relevant datasets and prepares them for analysis. Chooses the type of machine learning algorithm to use, builds an analytical model based on the chosen algorithm, trains the model on test datasets, revising is necessary, runs the model to generate scores and other findings. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning algorithms are the programs that can learn the hidden patterns from the data, predict the output, and improve the performance from experiences on their own. Different algorithms can be used in machine learning for different tasks, such as a simple linear regression that can be used for prediction problems like stock market prediction, and the KNN algorithm can be used for classification problems. In this topic, we will see the overview of some popular and most commonly used ML algorithms along with their use cases and categories. ML algorithm can be broadly classified into three types: supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, reinforcement learning algorithm. The below diagram illustrates the different ML algorithm along with the categories. Please have a look at the diagram. There are three learning techniques. Under supervised learning technique, we have regression. In regression, we have linear and polynomial. The supervised learning model also has training, a decision tree, random forest, and the other one is classification. KNN trees, logistic regression, naive Bayes, SVM, support vector machine, or the classification algorithms. In unsupervised learning technique, clustering association analysis, hidden Markov model are there. SVD PCA K means are the algorithms under clustering technique. A priori FP growth under association analysis. Supervised learning algorithm. It is a type of machine learning in which the machine needs external supervision to learn. The supervised machine learning models are trained using the labeled dataset. Once the training and processing are done, the model is tested by providing a sample test data to check whether it predicts the correct output. The goal of supervised learning is to map input data with the output data. Supervised learning is based on supervision, and it is the same as when a student learns things in the teacher's supervision. The example of supervised learning is spam filtering. Supervised learning can be divided further into two categories of problem classification and regression. Unsupervised learning algorithm. It is a type of machine learning in which the machine does not need any external supervision to learn from the data, hence called unsupervised learning. The unsupervised models can be trained using the unlabeled dataset that is not classified, not categorized, and the algorithm needs to act on that data without any supervision. In unsupervised learning, the model does not have a predefined output and it tries to find useful insights from the huge amount of data. These are used to solve the association and clustering problems. Hence, further, it can be classified into two types: clustering and association. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with its environment by producing actions and learn with the help of feedback. These are the list of popular machine learning algorithm: linear regression algorithm, a logistic regression algorithm, decision tree, support vector machine, naive Bayes, KNN model, K-means clustering, random forest, a priori algorithm, and principal component analysis. Thank you.